After an early rise on day 3, we were treated to a stunning sunrise over Lake Jindabyne as a reward. Ever aware, Troy was up and about and able to capture some amazing drone footage. Personally, I think Stano was only there to make sure the footage didn't get deleted. Day 3 consisted of a relatively straightforward 180km run into Canberra along the Monaro Highway from Jindabyne before meeting up to commence the wall-to-wall ride with all the other riders. This stretch of road always seems extremely windy, leaving you riding sideways to go straight, and apparently provides over 50% of the roadkill in Australia along its length. No deer though. Strange that.
Happens every day, yeah, we're always skipping school. We get in our cars and we burn the streets. Got no money, but we got a plan. Sneak into the liquor store, run away as fast as we can. Yeah.
After a quick stop for breakfast in Jindabyne, off we went. As you can see, the roads out of Jindabyne provided a great view of the surrounds and just how picturesque Jindabyne is. Even better, the sun was shining again. Coming through Cooma, we could see the local highway patrol awaiting the arrival of the official wall-to-wall riders from Victoria to pass through en route to Canberra. We'd be back through Cooma tomorrow, and Smithy chose to leave a piece of his bike there to remember us by.
Every day, every year, let's get it started. Let's get it started.
The blue ute was no match for the mighty KTM on the highway, even though it was fully sick. We hit the outskirts of Canberra and continued on towards our hotel. First stop would be a refuel, then a quick check to see if the hotel rooms were ready so we could check in and dump our gear prior to the pre-ride muster at the Canberra Showgrounds. After arriving at the Showgrounds, we had enough time for some lunch, but it appeared a lot of the riders had already moved on in anticipation of the form-up. With our appetites sated and looking like the crew from Wild Hogs, it was time to mount up so we could hurry up and wait for the ride to start.
Every day, every year, let's get it started.
amazing to be a part of so many riding as one.
Only 1,000 miles away, so far apart, I need for you to come home. Won't you come home? Tell me tonight. It won't be long.
The route takes you along the Federal Highway through Canberra, then snakes up and around Parliament House before parking up at Kings Park, where the service is held.
I will wait if I need to. Not afraid to risk it all. So you know it's true. It's only ever been you.
No matter what you think of the peanuts who run the country, it is pretty special to have the opportunity to ride around Parliament House itself in such a way.
I will wait as long as you need me to. Oh, I promise you. But please think twice before you do.
This shot gives you an idea of the number of motorbikes that attend and are part of the ride and service.
So I'll run for you. I will wait if I need to. Not afraid to risk it all. So
We parked away from the main group to ensure we could get back to the hotel as quickly as possible after the service had finished, as the undercover parking was limited where we stayed due to the huge numbers of people in town using the place.
only